How to contact Google for support. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device. In this screen, I'm showing you different phone numbers for Google support according to country. You can call in this number. Another way is simply open new tab in Google and type in support.google.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, in the search bar, you can describe your issue. After you describe your issue, it will give you same topic as you described. After that, you can click on it and find solution to your problem. Also, if you scroll down, you'll find different Google related apps. You can simply click on it to the related app. Here at the bottom, you'll find different solutions of your problem. You can also scroll down and click on Post to the Help Community. If you click on it, you'll find different issues people have posted, which is the community. You can also describe your issue in here as well. And if you want to post something, simply scroll down. At the bottom, you will find Post a Question. Click on Post a Question. After that, you can simply type in your problem, summary of your issue, explain the problem you're facing, category, and then submit it. And this is how to contact Google for support. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.